Hello guys, welcome back to another video at SHOEGR Academy, and today we are putting to test our very own suede kit. And I know what you guys are wondering, that is anybody actually wearing these? But let me just tell you, they're not in fashion now, but they were in the early 2000s. But what I wanted to actually do, that whether our dry suede kit will help us to revive the suede on these heels. So that is why you can see they've not been worn, but they're extremely dirty. The suede is really in bad shape. Just look at the toe box. I mean, they're so filthy dirty. So any of you out there who has a pair of suede heels, we will get to know that how you can bring them back to life with our suede care kit. As the drill goes, I will keep the right heel for comparison basis later and just work the dry suede kit on my left heel. In the suede care kit, we have a brush and eraser. So these are the only two things that you require for cleaning your suede. Okay, so first with this brush, I will dry dust the heel. And now we will work with the eraser. So now I'm just removing the dust that is from the eraser, and look at that. And instantly it's just smoothened out. It wasn't that smooth when it was like very dirty. Now I will put on my work of the eraser on the tip of the toe. Guys, I really hope you can see the difference. There was a huge, like really dirty stain here, and it's all gone. The results are here. So the suede kit has passed the test with flying colors. Okay, so as far as the outsoles are concerned, I will be going ahead with the hard brush or the all-purpose brush to clean the outsoles. So guys, because currently it's wet, so the color on the tip, as you can see, it's a little dark. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. If there's any questions, any shoe care specific video that you would like to see, do message us. And enjoy the holidays, Christmas and New Year. Party hard. Keep those shoes shining.